A lot of Korean learners introduce themselves in a real formal way. But Koreans don't usually speak like that. Let me show you the natural way. Here's the classic textbook intro. 제 이름은 입니다. Perfect grammar. But it sounds like you're giving a speech. The natural everyday version is 안녕하세요. 저는 이에요. 예요. And maybe add one more line like 미국에서 왔어요. That's already a complete intro. If you want to sound even more natural, just add one tiny detail about yourself. 한국에 산 지 1년 됐어요. 한국어 공부하고 있어요. 반가워요. That's literally enough. You don't need to memorize long sentences. It's much better just learn Korean naturally. Short, simple line you can actually use. Okay, try it with me. Just casually. 안녕하세요. 저는 이에요. 저는 이에요. 반가워요. That's it. Perfect natural Korean. By the way, if you are just studying Korean and you want something clear and easy to follow, I made a full beginner course. It's called Speak Korean for Beginners. It's for people who feels like I know some Korean but I still can't speak. In the course, we practice together, repeat together, and you learn Korean natural way with simple phrases you can use right away. If you want to check it out, everything is on my website, speakingkoreanwithj.com. Take your time, look around, and if it feels like for you, you can start today.